Introducing ChemPal Tutor, an AI-powered chemistry tutor designed for high school and college students. ChemPal Tutor provides clear, structured explanations of chemistry concepts using advanced artificial intelligence. For topics such as Lewis structures and resonance, the app offers both two-dimensional and three-dimensional molecular visualizations. Explanations can also be delivered through audio, supporting students who learn best by listening. Students can assess their understanding through quizzes and receive immediate, meaningful feedback. The system generates practice problems that align with the topic being studied. When assistance is needed, ChemPal Tutor presents each step of the solution in a clear and logical sequence. Learners can also draw Lewis structures interactively and receive guided feedback. The app provides hints to guide problem solving, as well as complete solutions when appropriate. Students may upload homework questions and receive detailed step-by-step solutions. ChemPal Tutor supports multiple languages, helping make chemistry education more accessible. Progress tracking allows learners to monitor improvement and practice at an appropriate difficulty level. Flexible plans are available for students and teachers, including tools for creating custom learning materials. ChemPal Tutor supports understanding, practice, and confidence in chemistry learning. ChemPal Tutor, a smarter approach to learning chemistry. Thank you for watching. If you know someone who could benefit from ChemPal Tutor, please feel free to share this video with them.